Hello, Sarah from Vancouver here with a tutorial for another great pattern. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Hello, I'm Sarah, your virtual sewing instructor where I help you create beautiful garments from popular patterns. And I love making my own clothes, sharing tips and techniques with you. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Sewing Therapy. Sarah here with a new pattern and a new tutorial. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Hello Sewing Therapy friends and Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Sarah here with a 2021 recap video. What a year it has been. For me, personally, it was a year of growth, sharing, and gratitude. Thank you so much for following my sewing and YouTube journey and sending me your love and support throughout the year. It was the second year of sewing therapy and I experienced a lot of growth while also recognizing areas for improvement. I just hope my videos literally gave you therapeutic time as you sewed along with me. Today, I'm sharing my top 10 most viewed videos of 2021 with how I feel about these makes. Shall we start? The M7969 video was the most loved video of all my 2021 sew-along videos. This wrap dress and top is well known on social media for its lovely look. And thanks so much for loving my half and half print M7969. I received so many compliments over this modification. I also received a lot of feedback regarding sizing issues, so if you want to try this pattern, I recommend that you read some blogs to figure out the right size for you. Up next is another McCall sewing pattern. This is the M7974 and while it's not my usual style of garment, I just love the look. I wore the sleeveless navy floral one in the summertime and received a lot of compliments as well. It has a low neckline, so if you're planning on sewing one for yourself, I recommend that you make a toile and modify the neckline as needed. I started 2021 with the Gilbert Type video and it's no secret that I love Helen's closet patterns. They never disappoint me. I usually wear one-piece garments, so it's no surprise that I find myself reaching for my hacked Gilbert dress over the top more often. For me, this pattern's charm is its vintage look flat color. The Cielo top and dress is a basic yet timeless design with a few unique twists. Have you seen its hidden pockets? They are super cute. I haven't made the gather sleeve version yet, but would love to make one next year. The March dress was my first collaborative work with Helen's Closet and I was so excited and honored. I love all of my March dresses made from woven fabrics and I especially love my rayon March dress with a belt. If you haven't seen it, please visit my Instagram account. I love my Pietra pants styled with my Olya shirt. The Olya shirt sew-along video is on my list for next year, so stay tuned in case you've been waiting for it. I noticed many of you were having a hard time sewing the back waistband of the Pietra pants, so I was super happy to be helpful for that part. The Vali Dress was a sensational dress pattern for me. It has such an interesting neck opening and an incredibly feminine look, but the process for making it wasn't easy. If you're planning on making one, I recommend a full lining for the bodice instead of a neck facing to make the process much easier. The very popular Pomona Pants. What more can I say? I made 5 of them in different colors and will probably make more. They are so comfy and stylish, my kind of pants. The Cambria Duster is something I didn't expect to love, but it turned out much better than I imagined. I didn't like the process of making all the bias bind seams, but the result was well worth the effort. I would love to make one more if I can ever find the time. And last but not least, the Pinnacle top, my favorite top of the year. I love its oversized fit and the unique silhouettes made by the pattern cuts. Some sewists didn't like the low neckline, and hopefully next year I can share how to modify the pattern and rise the neckline, either on Instagram or YouTube Shorts. Tag me so I can follow along your sewing journey. A reminder to click like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Thank you. Anyone here made all of them? I hope you enjoyed this recap video. For those wondering how you can support me, every small click on the like, subscribe, and notification bell have big impact on my channel. Thank you so much again, and I wish you a very happy and healthy 2022. I will see you in my next video. 안녕, 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 안녕. Thank you. 안녕, 안녕. My next video will be about my May 9, 2022. I will see you soon. 안녕. 벨소리 났을까?
이건 났을 거.